Today I'm going to show you how to publish Reels in Meta Business Suite. So we're in Meta Business Suite over here, and there are two ways that you can publish a Reel. The first way is from your Home tab. So currently we're on our Home tab. You can click on Create Reel, and you'll go in here and you'll be able to create a Reel. Now there are a few options here. So first of all, you can post your Reel to your Facebook page as well as your Instagram page. And then if you would like to uncheck one of these pages, you can simply do it like this. You can now upload your video or your images to create a Reel. And then you can come down here. You have the option to add in a title. Okay. You can also add up to 4 Reel titles to include in your post test. You can now also add a description. You can add a feeling, you can add a location tag, and then you can also add a messages button. And this is for Facebook only. You can then go down over here, add some tags to your Reel, and add any collaborators that you worked with on this Reel. And you'll be able to now click on Next, which will take you to the space where you can edit your Reel. So this section will allow you to make some changes to your Reel, and on the right hand side you will see a preview of your Reel. It'll also tell you how long this Reel is. So here you can search for different audios in terms of their genre, their moods, vocals, and tempos. And once you have chosen one, you can go ahead and click on it. Now if you go ahead and click on crop, you'll be able to crop a video if this is a video, not an image. So it says the tool is currently not available for photo reels. And then you can also add text, which again, if it is a video that you're uploading, you can add that. And then you can also trim that video. So these are strictly video tools. Once you're done, click on Next. Here you will be able to either share it now, you can schedule it, or you can save it as a draft. You can add it to a playlist. You can then also share it to your Facebook story. And if you've included Instagram, you'll be able to share it to your Instagram story too. You can also share it to up to 3 public groups. You can add a poll, add in closed captions, and then you can set your remixing of the audio, your distribution over here. Then some additional options if you are wanting to track some of your options over here. And then if it is public, this means anybody on Facebook or somebody that hasn't got a Facebook account will still be able to go into Facebook and watch your Reel, or you can restrict it to a certain audience. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on Share. Now on the left hand side, if you've gone to Planner, you'll be able to go in to Planner, click on Month, look for a day that you would like to schedule this Reel if you don't want to post it immediately. So let's say, for example, this day here. And once you're done, you can literally click on, let's say this one here. Go and click on Create Reel. It'll take you through the same process. And now by default, when you go to the share option, you'll be able to schedule it for a date in the future.